Mandal Commission's case in Supreme Court and the judgment given by Supreme Court. No real India के मेरे सभी साथियों और followers को मेरा जय भीम और नमो बुद्धाया. To my friends and followers, my sincere Jai Bhim and Namo Buddhaya. In this video, I would like to continue what I was discussing about how OBC have been fooled and duped over the last 70 years. And I specifically wanted to elaborate upon the point which I made in the prior video on how Mandal Commission's implementation by Prime Minister VP Singh's government was taken to the court, Supreme Court, and Supreme Court actually made some decisions after hearing the case. So I want to show you what those decisions were, 5 main decisions, and how they further actually affect the progress of the OBC. So as we know, Mandal Commission was implemented late 1980s, and about 80 Brahmins actually took this to the court, and they argued as to why OBC should not be given reservations, because pretty much they realized that about 20% or so is reserved for SC and ST community, and these upper caste people were then having the roost of the remaining 80%. But if 52% OBC get equal share, not that they would get it, but if you were to think that they would get equal share of 52%, then they would be limited to their own 15 to 20%, which is actually fair game. That's how it should be. But privileged people, when the rest of the world asks them for equal rights, feel that their rights are actually being snatched away from them. So that is the case here. The first decision that Supreme Court took was to not actually give 52% representation or reservation to OBC, but it would only be half that. That would be 27%. So that was the first decision, and obviously it went against OBC. The second thing that they did was they made sure that reservation was to be applied only for jobs, not at all for any educational seats. The third thing they did was they said that there would be no reservation in promotions. So only entry level jobs where they have set up a reservation is all they would get. They're again back in the larger pool, which we all know is pretty casteist, and if you're not of a certain caste or a certain few castes, you're not going to go up. So it's pretty much like, yeah, we'll let you in, but after that there is no growth for you, kind of a seal. Another thing, well, the fourth decision that was made was Mandal Commission came out with a report that there would be around 3,700, 800 castes that would be classified under OBC. However, Supreme Court slashed that in half. Also, while there was no recommendation from the commission to look at economic status as an indicator of whether somebody should get a seat, a job via reservation or not, Supreme Court decided to slap that on top of. So those are a few things that actually went against, all of them went against the OBC, again continuing their slavish condition in Indian society. So that's how the Supreme Court tried to make Mandal Commission's implementation ineffective, while the Brahmin religious ideology was also pushing OBC towards this Ramaraj. Let's take down Babri Masjid. Let's build Ram's temple in Ayodhya. When we are doing it for you, OBC, Rama is our god or your god, and we are doing this for you. So they have taken multi-pronged approach to continue to keep OBC folks in the dark. I think that's all I had for today. Sharing a little more information on the last post-independent India's OBC plight, because it has not gone away. There is a long way for them to go, much, much longer than where SC, ST, where we are. So let's join hands, but we can do it. We can get past that finish line. We can, because united with Baba Saheb Ambedkar's philosophy guiding us, we can do it. So this is a hopeful message. All of my videos hopefully are seen in a hopeful we will achieve this kind of an attitude. I'm never just criticizing to show that, well, it's all a lost cause. No way. So we'll educate, we'll agitate, organize, and we will make Baba Saheb's Prabuddha Bharat um, envision that he has envisioned true.